What's up guys? Fighting up close, otherwise known as infighting. It's very important in boxing. If you don't train it in practice, when you get in close in a real fight, you find yourself hesitating, in trouble, not sure how to throw the right punch, not sure how to fire back, not sure how to win the situation. So we're going to do 3 1.5 minute rounds here. Just working on fighting in close, keeping our tire, or front foot or lead foot in the tire, and just trying to throw a few punches to set up an angle to tag the body. So let's do it on here. It's a good way to toughen up the body. Sometimes you might even take a shot or two. Stay strong for something. Nice. Good aggression. Stand. Strong. 10 seconds. Nice. Quality. Hope you good. Right there. Nice. Okay, good. Hold on. It's good to be comfortable fighting in close in that kind of situation. So do some rounds on that, guys. I'm out.